In today's video, I'm going to teach you place multiple images as layers. If you've ever wanted to bring several photos into a single Affinity Photo document and keep each one editable on its own, this is exactly how to do it. We'll use the place workflow, which is designed for adding external images cleanly and keeping them organized as separate layers. With your document open, go to File, then choose Place. A File dialog will appear. Navigate to the images you want to use and select more than one at the same time. When you click Open, Affinity Photo opens the Place panel, which queues up all the images you selected. Think of this panel as a holding tray. It keeps your chosen files ready so you can place them onto the canvas in the order you prefer. Now, place the images one by one. On the canvas, a single click drops the image at its native size, which is perfect when you want the image to arrive at full resolution without any scaling. If you'd like to control the size and position immediately, click and drag instead. As you drag, you define the placement box and Affinity Photo scales the image to fit that box. This is helpful when bringing in large photos that would otherwise be too big for your layout. Each time you place an image, it becomes its own image layer. That means you can move, resize, and edit each one independently without affecting the others. If you want to refine the size precisely, use the Transform panel to set exact width, height, or rotation values. You can also scale visually by dragging the corner handles on the bounding box. If your proportions get a little off while you're experimenting, double-click a corner handle to reset the aspect ratio so the image looks correct again. If you prefer working straight from your file browser, there's a handy shortcut. Drag and drop multiple images directly from Finder or Explorer into your open Affinity Photo document. They'll appear in the Place panel just like before, ready for you to click or drag onto the canvas. This is a great option when you're previewing thumbnails and want to bring in a group quickly. And that's the entire process. By using the Place command and the Place panel, you're keeping your workflow tidy and your edits non-destructive. You now have multiple images arranged as separate layers, ready for compositing, masking, or any creative adjustments you have in mind.